Well, we got everybody out roaming today. Got the pigs out here foraging for acorns. Under that giant tree, there's no shortage of them. Unfortunately, they ticked me off by rooting. Yeah, I know they're pigs, they're going to root, but anyway, there's a week's supply of acorns on top of the ground to eat first. For some reason, they decided they wanted to dig. I guess they ate their fill of acorns and just plowed up the ground for fun. But they're not the only ones that are out. I let the chickens out for the first time in over a week since we had the problem with that bobcat. Hopefully I can get them in tonight safely. I hated having them pinned up, but doggone it, I don't like them getting eaten either. All right, piggies. There they are. They're happy. Look at how happy they are to be out running around. They're so happy to be out here in this open area. All this food. Happy pigs. Happy pigs. They're getting big too. Wow, they're getting big. Yeah. How big you are, sausage. Your eyes cleared up. That's nice. My brother-in-law said to put some used motor oil on something you could rub up against. And I didn't have any used motor oil. And before I could get some, somebody else said it looked like mites and I should use diatomaceous earth on your eyes. And my wife had just went and got me some diatomaceous earth to use for flea control on the dog and the cats. And I thought, well, what have I got to lose? So I popped some of that in your eyes and by golly, they cleared right up. Now, you chickens, be careful. You know there's something out there trying to eat you now. You roosters, keep an eye out. Captain? Colonel, you're in charge. Colonel. Thanks for watching.